Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a scammer website which I sort of have tracked down, and I'm going to crack on it, and I'm going to do my best to shut it down no matter what it takes. Because what I have found out, if you give a scammer your personal details or your credit card details, so basically we do it willingly, so you do it by choice, it's not like they forced it out of you. There's nothing you can do about it. The police won't do anything about it, because I had this question in class, and that's what the teacher told me. And I believe her because she's an ethical hacker herself. So I believe she knows what she's talking about. So this is the website, perproofficial.com. I'll show you the website in a minute. I just want to show you basically what I know about this website, and I will try and explain what has happened and how did I come to a conclusion that this is a scam. Can we update it? Hopefully. Alright, it doesn't matter, right? So basically, as you can see, this is the domain website, perproofficial.com, right? It's hosted by Hostinger, and you're gonna say, did you contact Hostinger? Yes, I have. I already have sent 2 emails, and I just got a reply. I'll show you in a minute what I have received from my emails. This is just the privacy. This is just privacy. As you can see, there's not much information for us to see. What you can see is Hostinger, and if you go down, it says registration service provided by hostinger.ph. Now you're gonna say they just used a Hostinger Philippines website. It doesn't matter, but that doesn't mean they're from Philippines. Yes, it does, because I have registered a website from basically language system. My one is in European. I'm not going to specify which one. Maybe I'll specify in the later videos. It says in that language, and my system is in that language, and the website I was registering my websites on is in that language. So which means they are from Philippines, right? And on basically popular dating apps, there's a lot of scammers from Philippines, right? Which means sort of adds up, right? And this website has been given to me through the dating app, right? So therefore, what I would like to do is basically shut this website down. I have contacted Hostinger. They have already applied, and I'll show you in a minute what they've done. I don't know. Basically, if you go on Bing, the website, as you can see, the website is down, right? The website is down, perproofficial, and it's basically down, right? And if you go on Google, the website's still up. Actually, never mind, they shut it off. Okay, so I just checked 2 seconds ago, and it was still up, and it's not anymore. I guess I have actually concluded and shut the scam. As you can see, I'm writing actually another on a scam advisor. I don't know how good this website is. I think it's actually Russian. It doesn't matter. It's a big website, I'm pretty sure. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna have to verify my email. That's fine. So the website is, let's go on Google again, because I'm interested. perproofficial.com. I can never spell it, because the name is so weird. It's like, you can tell it's a scam, right? Personal protection of, no, sorry, it's up. Never mind. Oh, it's not. I'm not sure what's going on with the website. Login? You can still log in. Maybe they're just shutting it down. I'm not sure, right? But I'm pretty sure if you go on this, it's shut down. And if you go on my email, basically, this is my email. The email I sent yesterday. No, that's the voice received yesterday, right? You can see that I sent it yesterday, and I received it 9:46 today in the morning, which was about an hour ago. That, hi, thank you for your support. A report listed above abusive accounts has been suspended, and this is this Hostinger, and this is my message that these websites have been shut down, and my message that, hey, I've been on, basically I have information that this is a phishing website. I have a lot of basically sort of common knowledge, not common knowledge, but like sort of evidence that this is a scamming website and you should shut it down. And as you can see, it actually worked. I'm actually proud of myself, because when before I recorded this video, I checked about 5 times and the website is still up. And as I'm recording this video, it should go shut down, which is magic, right? Right, so I just need to fill this out. As you can see, it will show you if you go on Professional. There we go. Actually, this is just oh, I need to disable my. Right, so basically, as you can see, right, it says per Professional review. This site is a scam. I ask you to verify your account, for which you need to provide a credit card number. You can skip payment, but then ask again. And by the way, when you actually try to register on this account, on this website, what they do is they ask you for payment twice, because they ask you for your credit number when you register. Let me just, maybe I can, yeah, PHP. Oh, I guess they actually shut the website in forever. I can't even access it. Can I log in? I mean, I don't have an account with it, because obviously, yeah, so I think they shut it down. I think they shut the website down completely, which is good. Finally, people won't get scammed. There we go. So I think the website is completely down. You can't do anything about it. That's good. This is very good. Oh, finally, man. I sent a report about a leak last week, and I thought they shut it down, and it's not shut down, so they just shut it down now. If you go on other websites, I'm not going to go on them, but basically, as you can see, the top review scam detector, it says this is a scam from April, so they actually registered the website, I think they registered, I can't remember, because it's blocked now. Actually, no, sorry. They registered on 26th of March, because it goes up in a year, right? As you can see, creation date, 26th of March. And they've been operating for about 3 months. Maybe not, because I think they suspended it earlier. Maybe let's say 2 months, right? But there's still a lot of people that could have got scammed. Well, luckily, hope no one got scammed. Maybe at least, if someone got scammed, hopefully they didn't lose a lot of money, right? So this actually, I have a very, very good information. If you have Revolut, what you can do is you can create a one-time use card, right? What happens is they give you, it's a digital account, and if you're ever gonna make a purchase online and you're scared that you're gonna get scammed or something, use that card. If not, then verify, and I'll show you how to verify, right? If you go on Google, for example, you want to check if is Amazon legit, right? Obviously, NordVPN, there's a lot of websites that show you that Amazon is not a scam. There's about, as you can see, 10 plus more websites. That means the website has been there for a long time. People have interest in it, and people are actually reviewed the website, right? This means that website is legit. What you can also do if you're scared, what you can also do is go virus total, and you can put on URL. Now this is sort of against viruses and stuff, but however, I'm pretty sure if I go, maybe I'm not sure if it's gonna work now, because the website's down, but maybe we can try. Maybe it will show us. No, okay, so it doesn't show us. I'm pretty sure if you go down, it says phishing somewhere. Because I used to get a report phishing. No, yeah, phishing database. There we go. I think that's a. There we go. Yeah. So it doesn't show. That's okay, because the website's down, so it doesn't really matter anymore, right? The website's down. What you can also do is, as you can see, right, this website's not very developed. There's literally no information. There's no information about this website at all, right? Which is good. Well, good because the website's not here anymore, so it doesn't matter if it's here or no. Or if you have technical knowledge, what you can do is go on Whois, right, and put the website link, and it'll show you some information. And for example, if you can check yourself, for example, if you're on a dating app, and someone says, hey, I'm from Dublin, right? And you go on the website, and it says registration service provided by Hostinger Russia, then something's wrong, my friend, especially if it's like Asian countries, like China, Singapore, like the poor countries that would basically, I think Singapore has the highest digital crime in the world, right? That's what you need to make sure. That's why you need to verify. I'm very cautious of these things. I'm very cautious. I'm very sort of, I don't trust anybody, and I'm very protective of myself. So I make sure that if I am going to put my credit card details, that the website is safe, the website is not a scam, and I check, especially if I'm handling with like a website that I've never heard of, right? I make sure I write reviews, I read reviews. This is what you need to do as well, because you need to protect yourself, because as I said, if you get scammed, the police won't help you. Unless there's been a lot, like I don't know, maybe a couple thousand people being scammed, okay, they will do something about it. But if you willingly give them your credit card details and the website is still active, they won't do anything. The police won't do anything about it. You're on your own. So this tells you that, people. I know people talk about the ethics, but like honestly, if I'm here gonna get scammed, right? If I'm gonna get scammed by some scammer from Philippines, I know it sounds a bit racist, but it's not about it. It's just because there's a large number of Philippine scammers. It's like Indian call centers, right? They scam people. Not everyone, but a large number have. Kolkata, New Delhi, they do. And we need to protect ourselves. And I'm here to protect everyone. If you have any scammer websites, send them to me in the link comments. I'll review them and I'll try to take them down, because I've had enough. I don't want people get scammed, right? Because people work hard for their own money, and just to get scammed? Hell no. I'm gonna be sitting here. If it will take me, right? If they won't take it down, I'll be sitting here and taking this website down for how long it takes. I don't care. So if you've enjoyed the content, make sure that if you can, obviously I'm not asking, if you can, just to support the channel. I would like to grow this channel, get this video as popular as I can. Subscribe and leave a comment, and if you have any scamming websites that you're unsure of, leave them in the comments. I'll review them, and I'll make a video about it, and I'll say that it's you helped, and thank you very much. So see you guys later in the next video. Thank you.